Yeah, g'day mate. This is Chris speaking from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. It's fairly wet outside, but that's alright. We're doing this floor. I'm about to grout it so we can put the furniture back, so I'm able to carry on tiling, but I'll be going into the bathroom. Anyway, this is a very shiny tile, so what I'll be doing is grouting the whole thing and then I'll wipe it off because it's a rainy day, so nothing's drying and it's an easy wipe off. It's brilliant because it's a shiny tile, so it'll wipe off super easy. I'll just pop this on the head and we'll get started. Don't forget to subscribe, press the subscribe, ring the bell and you're home and hose. This is going to look so cool. I usually buy a new squeegee for every job I do. I end up, most of the time I end up leaving them in my grout bucket and the grout goes hard on them. But it's nice to use a nice new squeegee. So when you're doing this, just slow down and it gets the grout in nicely. If you sort of try and rush too much, it doesn't work as well. Just if you see a little bit of glue like that, what you try and do is get the grout as full as you can. When I wipe this off, I'll be using my wash boy as dry as I can get it, so I don't wash my grout out. I want it as flush as I can. This grout is called, the colour is bone. It will dry a bit lighter. That's what the owners are after. A seamless floor, so it just, so you don't see any lines, and that's what I'm trying to achieve.
Gotta try and keep it as high as the grout. You just notice a couple of little dirty spots. Well, that's what you do. Slow down though, it's not a race. It's quite strange that to hear that from me, because I'm my own worst enemy. It's always, everything's always a rush. Bit of plastic from the clip, no biggie. But I know I've got plenty of time because it's not going to go off that quick. I've done floors like this that it was before clips came in, and to try and camouflage your lip if you had a bit of a lip, because you were freehand laying without clips. I used to use a dishwashing pad, not a stilo pad. That's what are they called here in Australia? A doodle bug, I think they're called. Which are I have them in my van for cleaning. Just pick up the excess. I'll turn the camera off and I'll switch it back on when I wipe off. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.